G'day guys, welcome to Ian's Wonderful World of Bees. Well, I don't want to sugarcoat things on this channel, so I'm going to show you what a big mistake I made. So you might have known I produced a queen cell in a queen cup, and I took a couple of frames out of one of my hives and I placed them in this box here with the queen cell. Now this hive has died. It's been 10 days since I did that. I went away for a few days, just got back, didn't see a lot of movement. So we're going to go in today, we're going to have a look at the dead hive. So turn away if you're a little bit squeamish and you don't like the feeling of seeing dead bees. We'll go in, we'll take a look and we'll actually see what's happened. Let's get stuck in. First up, there's the queen cell. Still formed. So I would say that the hive has died and the queen hasn't been kept warm enough. It's well and truly past its use by date, so let's crack it open and see what's in there. Okay. We did have a queen in there. Isn't that a shame? She looks like she was only a few days from coming out, so who knows what's happened there. They didn't have any forager bees because I was rushed at the time. Look, it's just absolutely exploded here in my yard. I've had swarms, splits, all sorts of stuff going on, and I was caught off. Come in and take a look. Always dead bees. Breaks your heart when you're a beekeeper, but look, if you don't make mistakes, you're not going to learn. Let's have a look at this first frame. We have a lot of bees just here, there. They've all got their bums up. So you know what they were doing? They were looking for food. There are some dead drones that have started to emerge. Thankfully there appears to be no wax moth or yet any other disease. Look at all these bums in the air. Man, these girls have starved to death, there's no doubt about that. So, silly Ian. Let's have a look at the next. Check that out, there's barely a cell not covered with bee bums there. So there's two bees in there that are moving, that's it. They're old frames, so I'm going to render those down into wax. We'll have a quick look in here. Okay, so we have some sort of larvae or something down in here. There they are. Let's see if I can get one. So there's the larvae. See it crawling across there. Now that could be small hive beetle or wax moth. I'd have to get a closer look. It's quite immature at this stage. So there you go, look, it's very upsetting, but you've got to learn from your mistakes. If you keep bees, you're going to lose bees. It's just a fact of life. But as a beekeeper, what you want to do is you want to try and reduce the risk of losing hives. Next time, what I'll be doing is putting a feeder in. I should have had a feeder. Now I'll be disposing of these dead bees because I don't want any wax moth or small hive beetle hanging around my hive here. So they'll get bagged and placed into the bin or placed into the compost. Thanks for watching. Hope you've learnt something. I certainly have. And join me for the next one. Ciao.